In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Canva website. This feature can really enhance the interactivity of your pages by making it super easy for visitors to get in touch with you directly. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, head over to the Elf site dashboard. Here you'll want to navigate to the catalog section. This is essentially the starting point where all the available widgets are housed. Once you're in the catalog, search for the WhatsApp chat option and give it a click. This will guide you to a variety of ready-made templates designed to optimize connection with your audience via WhatsApp. Choose a template that suits your style or business needs, then click on Continue with this template. This template selection is essential because it ensures the button's appearance aligns with your site's aesthetic and meets your communication needs effectively. The next step involves adding your WhatsApp number. This is crucial as it allows potential visitors or customers to reach you directly. Be sure to double check the number you enter to avoid any lost connections or miscommunications. Now click on Published. Doing this activates your WhatsApp widget, making it ready to be implemented wherever you choose to place it, but we're not done just yet. Next, select Share Link. This step is pivotal because it provides you with the unique link that you'll later embed into your Canva site. After selecting Share Link, don't forget to click on Copy Link. This ensures that your link is on the clipboard ready to be pasted wherever needed. With your link copied, it's time to transition over to Canva. Open your Canva project and head to the text option. Once there, click on Add a text box. This text box serves as the placeholder for where your WhatsApp button link will reside on your site. After adding the text box, find the share icon, which is typically located at the top of your Canva interface. This option allows you to distribute or integrate external links like the one we've just copied. Paste the link you previously copied into the designated URL field. Make sure it's correct to ensure a seamless setup. After pasting, you'll want to hit Done to save these changes. Now click on Link. This action ensures the link is active and ready for engagement by your visitors. Finally, opt for Embed, confirming that your WhatsApp button is now successfully part of your Canva website. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a functional WhatsApp button to your Canva website. This addition can greatly enhance your site's interactivity by providing a direct communication channel with your visitors.